Okay, so the frame is up. As you can see, kind of laughing because I screwed it into the pipe all the way around, and we'll see. It'll seal it pretty well, I guess, except for the bottom. I'll figure it out for the bottom, because what I did was I took the bottom piece and put that on the top, because the bottom is not very stable. As you can see, you got stones, you got wood, you got all kinds of stuff. I may add some cement there and make it nice and flush, and then I'll put a piece down there to complete it. Then after that, this guy's going to be cut up, sealed up, and put up. Okay, so I've got the pieces cut out, and I'm going to glue them in. Got this guy here. He's going in just like this. I'm going to glue it all in now. Got that piece, this piece here, and this piece here. Carpenter's glue and a little taping around it. I may put some pin nails in there. That's about it. Then after that, I just gotta wait for it to dry and cure. That's it. Okay, so here's the new door. I had to take off about 2 inches, and let me show you where I had to cut where the knob is, right here. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert this that I'm cutting out. That's going to go in here. So I'm going to do that in a little while. That's where I'm at. Okay, so I cut it out by hand all the way around it. And I'm going to glue it in now. And then I'm going to cut it even all the way down with my table saw. And that's it. I'm going to work with it from there. Well, the door's in. It's been sanded, screwed in. So let me show you what it looks like. Of course, it's not finished, and it opens readily and freely, just like that. And tomorrow's another day. Well, I just put in little block here for the door. Alright, so I have the cement here. Alright, and that's going to go in here. So I'm going to add some water. You should start with a little bit of water first. Okay. So you start from the ends and bring it into the middle. Just like this. You work it slowly. Okay, it's time to add a little more water. Start in the middle. You can go around the edge a little bit and stop. Consistency of pudding, remember. That'll get you there. This should be fine now. Gotta keep mixing it. Turn it over. Chop it up. Chop it up. That's it. Okay, so I got it in. What you want to do is you want to push it in there, move it around, especially areas that you can't get to. I'm going to be angling this down to the wood, so I got a good water runoff. Now, when it's this consistency, you can get it level nicely if you want, or you can move it around and get a little angle so the water does run off. Okay, so I'm in here cutting into it a little bit. Still a little wet to do it, but it's okay to do it right now. And you come back a few times and you finish it up. And have a slight angle for the water runoff. Okay. So after a couple hours, I come back with this guy here. And what it does, it brings up the water. And the corners won't chip, for the most part. I don't have a whole lot of room to work with here, but you know what? It's okay. That's all. Well, it's the next morning, and I dug up some pebbles I had in the parking area, and I got it in here so it's easy access, and the water was still run off. I'm gonna put down some mulch, and somewhere down the road I'm gonna probably put some mulch down here. I'm gonna add some mulch. I'm gonna take all these plants out. I've got the rock soil in, kind of leveled it out. All right, I laid down a coat of oil base, high gloss white. That'll protect the door because it's a hollow door. And I'm going to put some plexiglass over the top of it, seal that up. And in here, where you can see through it here, I'm going to caulk it all the way around. And that's it. I got my little lock here. No big deal. That's it for now. That's all she wrote. So guys, step by step. If you enjoy the video, if you're learning, if you're interested in what I'm doing, subscribe. Click that button to the right. Enjoy the ride, my friends. God bless.